So I'll be showing you how to post a video on Threads, the new app by Instagram. So let's go ahead and launch Threads. And on the Threads app, just tap on the new post button or icon in the bottom of the screen there. And then tap on the attachment icon or this paperclip icon here. Just tap on that and that's going to open your gallery. Now in your gallery, just scroll through and find the video you want to upload. Let me go ahead and upload this one, for instance. This is a short clip, and you can add multiple videos if you want to, but let me just add this one for this specific video, and then tap on add, and you should see the preview of the video there, and then you can say something about this video. And then choose who can reply to this post. By default, it's anyone, but you can choose profiles you follow or mentioned people in this post only. And then just tap on post. So as you can see, it's posting. It's going to upload the video to Threads, and it's going to be a post, just like you would have done on Twitter. So once it's done uploading, you should see your post in the feed somewhere. Or you can simply go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner, and you should see your video. And that's basically how to post a video on Threads. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.